Dr. D.D. Lapang, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, graced the University of Science and Technology (USTM) with his presence today. As he inaugurated a block named in his honor on the university campus, the newly unveiled Dr. D.D. Lapang block stands as a testament to Dr. Lapang's contribution to the state and his association with the university. The momentous event was witnessed by the Chancellor and Vice-Chancellor of USTM and other dignitaries.
At that time, this area is very backwards and people are very, very poor. And today, I found that this has become to an educational hub, and many students and many other people from the other part of the, not only India, the world, has got a chance to study. And Brave out of the small portion, has got a name in India and in the world, where this university also named to the university.